Welcome, dear viewers, to our channel, where today we are going to talk about the world of wealth and luxury. We've all heard about how millionaires and billionaires manage their fortunes, but let's look at their world from a slightly unusual angle. Today we will tell you about the amazing and sometimes absurd spending of the richest people of our planet. Get ready for incredible stories of luxury, extravagance and unusualness. Let's start our journey into the world of the most unusual millionaire spending right now. A short commercial break. Tired of thinking how to earn and how to get to passive income? There is a way out. Bybit, the best platform for earning and passive income based on digital assets. Here you can realize all your trading potential and earn a dream life. And by the promo code under the video for registration, you will get the first real $1,000 to your account. See you at Bybit, and we continue to Chapter 1: Famous Personalities and Their Unusual Spending Habits. 1. Richard Branson. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, is known for his penchant for adventure. He once purchased an island in the Caribbean Sea, which he named Uninhabited Island, Necker Island. This island became a unique place to organize exclusive events and adventures available only to his friends and guests. In addition, Richard Branson also invested in the space industry with the creation of Virgin Galactic, to give ordinary people the opportunity to travel to space. 2. Salvador Ferragamo. Italian shoe designer and founder of the eponymous brand Salvador Ferragamo, bought a palazzo in Florence, which became his home and museum. He was also known for his eccentric love of shoes and created many unique pairs of shoes for celebrities, including shoes with heels shaped like birds and fish. These unusual creations have become collector's items today. 3. George Lucas. The creator of Star Wars is known not only for his cinematic achievements, but also for his unusual collection of science fiction items. He has spent millions buying costumes, model ships, and Star Wars-related artifacts. His Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Museum on the Disneyland grounds has also become a venue for his sci-fi ideas. 3. Donald Trump. The former president of the United States is known for his eccentric real estate holdings. One of his most notable projects is the luxurious Trump Tower skyscraper in New York City, which has gold elements in the interior. He also had an ornate penthouse in the towers that was sold for many millions of dollars. These examples show that millionaires and billionaires often display eccentricity and individuality in their spending, creating unique and impressive designs and collections. Chapter 2: Extravagant Travel. 1. Traveling into space with Virgin Galactic. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, provides an opportunity for wealthy clients to go on a space tour with his company Virgin Galactic. This trip includes a subspace flight where travelers can experience weightlessness and see Earth from space. The cost per seat aboard Virgin Galactic is about $200,000. 2. Underwater cruise on the World. The World is a cruise ship where you can buy condos and become a permanent resident of the sea. This extravagant experience allows wealthy travelers to explore the world while living on a ship that travels around the globe. Apartments aboard the World can cost several $1,000,000. 3. Deep Ocean Expedition Submarine Voyage. For marine adventurers, there is the option of going on submarine excursions provided by Deep Ocean Expeditions. These underwater trips allow travelers to explore the underwater world and even explore shipwrecks. The cost of these trips can run up to several $100,000. 4. Travel to White Desert Antarctic Station. White Desert is an exclusive Antarctic station that millionaires can visit. Here, you can watch penguins, explore Antarctic icy landscapes, and spend nights in luxurious glass domes contemplating the northern lights. This trip usually costs several tens of thousands of dollars. 5. Travel to space with SpaceX. SpaceX, a company founded by Elon Musk, is also planning to allow individuals to travel to space. It is stated that the cost of such a trip will be in the several $1,000,000, but it will provide the unique experience of becoming an astronaut and being on the International Space Station. These examples show that wealthy travelers can afford the most extravagant and unique adventures in the world, including space travel, underwater exploration and expeditions to the most remote corners of the Earth. Chapter 3: Artifacts of Luxury. 1. Airplanes and helicopters. Many wealthy people purchase their own airplanes and helicopters. Some of them commission custom designs, create luxury interiors, and even install artwork on board. For example, billionaire Roman Abramovich has his own Boeing 767 with multiple rooms and even a swimming pool. 2. Yachts. Yachts are another popular luxury item. They can be longer than soccer fields and are equipped with everything you need for a luxurious stay on the water. Famous billionaire Richard Branson, for example, has several luxury yachts, one of which bears the name Uninhabited Island, 3 private islands. Some millionaires and billionaires go further and purchase private islands. This allows them to enjoy complete isolation and luxury. One example is Fisher Island in the Pacific Ocean, which is owned by billionaire Larry Ellison and has its own golf course. 4 rare car collections. Many rich people collect rare and expensive cars. For example, billionaire Jay Mason's classic car collection includes many unique historical models. 5 masterpieces of art. Paintings and sculptures from famous artists can be worth millions or even billions of dollars. Many millionaires invest in art, creating impressive collections. For example, David Geffen's art collection includes works by Pablo Picasso and Jackson Pollock. 6 personalized islands with animals. Some millionaires create their own exotic sanctuaries by purchasing islands and filling them with rare animal species. This allows them to be environmentally active. Chapter 4 Summarizing. Luxury and creativity. Millionaires and billionaires often use their finances to express their individuality and creativity. Their extraordinary spending allows them to create unique designs and collections. Investing in pleasures and experiences. Millionaires realize that money can bring not only financial returns, but also joy, experiences, and fulfillment. Extravagant travel and the purchase of rare luxury goods become ways to enjoy life. Philanthropy and social impact. Some millionaires use their wealth for philanthropy and social issues. This reminds us that wealth can be a powerful way to change the world. Inspiration and dreams. Stories of millionaires' extraordinary spending habits can inspire us to dream bigger and strive to achieve our goals. They show that even the most improbable dreams can become a reality with enough resources and determination. The world of millionaires and billionaires is full of amazing stories and extravagant solutions. We hope this video has given you a little inspiration and gave you a better understanding of the dreams and opportunities that can open up for those with financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting stories from the world of wealth and luxury. Thanks for watching.